Welcome to yet another session of Vedic Maths. Today's topic is multiplication by 13. But before you start watching this video, hopefully you have seen the video of doubling and multiplication by 11, because today I am going to combinedly use both these topics and solve the multiplication by 13 without actually multiplying it. Right? So let's go on to the multiplication of 62 into 13. What's the first step? First step is multiply 62 into 11. So if you have seen the previous video, you know the answer is 682. Right? Now, second step is double 62. Double the number 62. So that is 124. Right? Simply add this number to get your answer. That is 608. 806 is your answer. Isn't this very simple? Right? Let's follow the same for 70. So 70 into 11. That gives you 770. Double the number 70. That gives you 140. Let's add this. This is 910. And this is your answer. Right? Let's solve the number 54 into 13. So 54 into 11 gives you 594. Simply double the number 54. That's 108. So your answer is 702. So that's your answer. Try solving 68 into 13 and get your answer.